What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm super excited because I'm finally going to be revealing a couple of mods and also unboxing one of the new mods for the Corvette right here, and it's just going to be awesome. So I've been waiting to do this for like a month, and today's the day, so we're going to get right into that. Now, getting right into things, as you will see on the front of this car, I have a carbon fiber 5VM style front splitter. I absolutely love this splitter, and because I love it so much, I bought something to match it. Now, obviously, you can see on the side of the car, we don't have any side skirts. So I went ahead and ordered some 5VM style carbon fiber side skirts. And after numerous months of waiting, they finally came in. And let me just say, these things look absolutely beautiful. I love how they have the exact same little winglet design. It's gonna look sick on the car. I'm actually about to mock it up on the car real quick for you guys so you can see what it's gonna look like whenever we finally make the video installing these things. All right, now we're gonna be very careful picking this stuff up because these things are not exactly very cheap. And I waited a very long time for them. So this one's the driver's side. And honestly, these aren't that hard to install, but it's been so cold lately that they want you to use 3M tape to adhere it on the top, and the 3M tape will just not adhere correctly if it's below a certain temperature. But pretty much, friction will just kind of hold it on the side, and you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. Now next up, before I actually unbox the new wheels from E5 Wheels, I'm gonna be showing you guys what tires we got for the new wheels themselves. Now my Corvette is a non-Z51 Corvette, which means it comes with boring all-season tires. Now these are Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires, so they are pretty decent for all seasons as all seasons go, but they're still not as good as a performance tire. So I had to get a performance tire, obvious. I mean, it's the only logical sense. So we went with some Nitto NTO 5s, and I am super excited to run this tire. I think it's gonna perform great, especially with all the weight being on the rear of this car automatically. I think we're gonna have no traction issues ever with this thing. Plus, it looks sick. I mean, you cannot tell me that these tires don't look awesome, especially whenever you compare them against the factory all season. I mean, that's a boring tire. That's a badass tire. So now that I've shown you guys the side skirts that we're gonna be putting on this car and the performance tires that we'll be putting on the E5 wheels, I'm gonna be finally unboxing the E5 wheels. And I hope you guys are excited because these things are gonna completely change the look of this car. Now, not only will these E5 wheels fix an issue with the factory wheels where they don't sit flush with the fender, so not only will the fitment be better, but these wheels are also only made for Corvettes, so it's gonna make the car way more unique because you're not gonna find them on any Dodge Challenger, Charger, you're not gonna find them on Camaros, Mustangs. No other model of car except for Corvettes are gonna be rocking these wheels. All right, I can seriously not wait any longer, so let's just go ahead and start unboxing these things. Oh. Now I think you guys are gonna really, really enjoy these wheels. I think y'all are gonna absolutely love them. Because I absolutely love them. So let's make sure that does not hit the car. I'm anal about that. All right. Oh my gosh, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys freaking ready? Because I'm ready. All right, how you take this off? How do I do this? Come on now. Am I gonna get defeated by plastic? Oh, here we go. I will say, E5 Wheels packs these very well, obviously. And the wheels that are going to be going on the C8 Corvette officially look like this. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that. That is freaking sick. Oh my gosh. Now this wheel color is called brushed titanium. And oh my gosh, I don't even know if y'all can tell exactly the way it looks on the camera, but this thing looks freaking sick. Now obviously this thing also has a little center hubcap, which just to obviously complete the look of the wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and put on, cause might as well. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's badass. Now, huge shout out to E5 wheels. These things look even better than I thought they would in person. I honestly don't think the camera does these wheels justice. They look absolutely stunning. And they're going to look even better once they're on the Rapid Blue C8 Corvette right there, wrapped in some Nitto NTO5s. Now, if you own a Corvette and you're looking to buy some wheels, click the link in the description to check out E5 wheels. They have some cool designs and some cool colors. And if you want a wheel that's only going to be on a Corvette, be sure to check them out. Look at the new wheels. You like them? Oh yeah, I think Bruce approves. I think Bruce approves. You approve, don't you? Oh yes, you do. That's such a good boy. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you.